How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 67 Chevelle SS 396. Got a 375 horse, 396 in it. Get full roller, hydraulic cam, upgrade. Super slick car. Gorgeous garnet, red metallic. See all the bumper, the grill, everything is like new. It's all been redone. It's original panel car, super solid, slick, flat down the sides. You have to kind of bear with us. We really don't have any sun today. We're just trying to get a video here for you folks. Nice set of 17-inch rev wheels on it, brand new. So all the taillight bezels and the moldings, everything on the back of the car look just like new. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the panel fitment's very nice on the car. Glass is all in excellent condition. You can see how flat, straight down the sides it is. Again, this is a 375 horse, 396. It's got your aluminum intake and your Holley dual feed. It's got power disc brakes, power steering. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's all full MSD ignition, heavy duty aluminum radiator. It's all detailed, very nice. It's got a Richmond 5-speed in it, 12-bolt posi. It's got tubular upper and lower A-arms up front and back. So all the jams and everything are very nice. Interior is super nice in the car. A full custom gauge cluster in it. You can see the headliner's real nice, tight. It's got all the interiors been redone in the car. So I really wish we had a little sun, but I mean, the paintwork on this car is absolute show quality. Comes with the car cover, jack and spare. It's got the retrofit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability. It's a factory console. This was a factory air car, but they updated it with the vintage AC. Fire the thing up. It's a super slick, straight car. It's a car you get in, go to all your local shows, cruise this thing with the 5-speed down the freeway, have a good time in it. Backup lights all work. Tell you, super nice car here, guys. Love the color on it. The pictures, you'll see it in the pictures. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.